Muravai Shower Head is marketed as a high-pressure shower head that promises a more powerful shower while claiming to improve water efficiency and enhance your overall shower experience. The ads make it look like a major upgrade, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, high-pressure shower heads are a legitimate product category, and many can improve the feel of the shower, especially in homes with moderate water pressure. What it does well, improve spray experience. Compared to a basic shower head, it may provide a more concentrated and satisfying water flow. Easy installation. Most models are designed to fit standard shower arms without requiring professional installation, where the hype falls apart. It can't create water pressure out of nowhere. If your home's water pressure is already very low, a new shower head can only do so much. Marketing may exaggerate performance. Promotional videos are often filmed under ideal plumbing conditions that may not reflect your own home. Build quality can vary. Depending on the specific model, materials and long-term durability may differ from expectations. So, should you buy the Muravai Shower Head? Short answer, yes, if your expectations are realistic. If you're looking for a simple bathroom upgrade with adjustable spray settings, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to completely solve serious household water pressure problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.